Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started. Focus cell. So this feature is great for when you actually need to drive an Excel meeting and show people a big complex database. So for this, go to view at the top here and then click on focus cell. It will draw a column and row in a specific color wherever you have selected. Now it makes it really easy to jump around and have follow whatever you're doing. If you're presenting in a meeting, for example, the colors are customizable as well, so you can select whatever color you'd want. If you want red, I can do that. It's got darker ones as well, and the cool thing is it will also automatically highlight the row and column if you Ctrl F. So let's Ctrl F for Alice, and we'll do find all, find next, and it will move as you do Ctrl F. That's all for today. So thank you for watching the video. If you think this video is helpful, please like, comment and share. Till then, have a great day.